Ramses II, also known as Ramses the Great, was the most powerful pharaoh of ancient Egypt due to his military conquests, extensive building projects, and long reign of nearly 67 years, 1279 to 1213 BC. He led successful campaigns, most notably the Battle of Kadesh against the Hittites, which resulted in one of the first known peace treaties in history. His ambitious construction projects, including the grand temples of Abu Simbel and the Ramesseum, showcased his divine status and reinforced his authority. Ramses also expanded Egypt's influence, securing its borders and ensuring economic prosperity. His ability to maintain stability and project power both at home and abroad cemented his legacy as Egypt's most formidable ruler.